A typical Filipino produces an average of half a kilogram of trash per day. So how much waste would be generated if there is 100 million of us? In 2016, a study showed that our country generated about 40,000 tons of solid waste per day. That needs 3,000 garbage trucks to collect it. From households, these wastes are delivered to our sanitary landfills. However, as per our national law, these landfills are only required to hold residual wastes. The law further states that other solid waste must be diverted, either be reduced, reused, or recycled. This is where the problem arises. Sadly, there's only around 40 to 85% waste collected nationwide, and most of it is still not being recycled or reduced. And the uncollected trash, it's thrown in our rivers, public spaces, and open dump sites. Things are only getting worse. Our waste generation might blow up by 165% in 5 years, increasing up to more than 70,000 tons of garbage every single day.
Did you know about 35,580 tons of garbage are generated every day in the Philippines? Residents in the Philippines have been producing more waste recently, especially those residing in the urban areas as a result of industrialization, urbanization, and rising population. Recognizing the significance of environmental recovery and the consequences of poor management of waste for the Philippines, there is a need to better understand and improve attitudes towards environmental protection. The idea of adopting a more sustainable approach to our consumption habits appears as important and necessary. That's why we came up with the idea to create biodegradable food packaging.
I am Eleanor Pamisaran from the company Package Union, and I am here to propose our newest product, e-package. This food package is unlike any other food package you've all seen before. This is made from rice husks, most commonly known here in the Philippines as ipa. Rice husks are a readily available material considering that the number one crop here in the Philippines is rice. The raw material used in this product makes it biodegradable. Thus, after using our product, you can just dispose of it in a compost pit and it will degrade faster than any other food packaging, making it go back to where it originated. The rice husks we source comes from local farmers. That is why it helps them gain extra income. Our product comes in different sizes. That is why you can put different quantities of food in our packages. It also contains biodegradable plastic lining that is made from cornstarch for more durability and moist resistance. And to talk about our logo and its elements, let's have Miss Erica Juliana Perez.
The product's logo creates a powerful first impression and foundation of the brand. We made ePackage's logo plain and simple, and it's divided into two. The first one is the primary logo, which is the symbol, and the second one is the brand name logo. Now, for the primary logo, you'll see that it is a figure of a farmer from a top point of view. We include farmers because we wanted to empower and recognize them as part of making our product. The farmer is holding a package and a rice plant to represent our product, which is the e-package that is made out of rice husks. And we decided to design the logo precisely to create the letter E, which is the initial of our product name. The next one is the brand name logo. The brand name logo is just simply the product name, but the word IPA is highlighted because it is the primary material of our product. The E in our product's name stands for eco-friendly because our product deeply cares for our environment. To discuss the target market, here we have Mr. Carlos Alejo.
According to the EPA, in 2018, the US alone generated a whopping 41.9 million tons of paper and paperboard packaging waste. With that said, the team and I would like to help, even if it's only a tiny fraction of significance, lessen that large waste product. The team plans to sell the e-package to food companies and small food businesses so that we can help reduce the waste being produced and be more eco-friendly. As our product, unlike the others, are more affordable, durable, organic, and eco-friendly, with a mix of originality. Speaking of benefits, let's hear more from Mrs. Chardin Stanislao.
Our product, e-package, is composed of organic materials, which is great for any consumer. Not only is this product good for everyone, but it is also great for the environment. We can lessen the waste of rice husks due to these packages. Since rice husk is the main material for the e-package, farmers can have extra income from selling these crops. Using our product, we can avoid the dangers of chemicals near any food. After eating with our packages, you can dispose it in your plants, which will serve as a fertilizer. Because of these benefits, we came up with our tagline, the package that cares, which suggests that we care in general. We care for the consumer, farmers, and the environment.
E-package is made to help the environment with our local farmers in mind, to reduce the waste, to produce more income, and overall, to keep the trees standing and the oceans clean.
And that's the end of our presentation. And if you have any questions, feel free to open your microphone.
Ma'am, I have a question for your product. How much will it be? How much will it cost, and how much? And in groups or individuals only?
Our valued investor, we are glad to inform you that our product costs 10 pesos only by 20 pieces, and we sell it by bulk to food companies and small food businesses.
Oh, thank you very much for that answer. That is very affordable. I will use it at my food business.
Thank you very much, our valued investor.
Is there any questions left from our audience and investors?
I have a question for you. When will the package biodegrade?
Thank you for that question, future investor. Our product takes less than 180 days to fully decompose.
Oh, thank you for answering my question.
Once again, we are the Package Union, presenting to you e-Package, the package that cares. Help yourself and help the planet. Switch to e-Package.